He did come.
Let's see.
I got your Play-Doh.
This is Baby Hugh's basket.
I got some new Play-Doh.
Oh my gosh, Stella, the Easter Bunny left his carrot. He wrote you a note too. I saw it over here. He left it on the counter.
Mom,
It says Happy Easter.
look at that. He left his carrot on the table.
That is so funny.
This is to Stella from the Easter Bunny. This one's yours.
Whoa, I was a bunny.
That's cute.
I have no video left on my phone.
A camera.
Oh wow.
Oh my goodness.
You take pictures today of your Easter.
But it was batteries.
Well, we'll make sure we put batteries in it.
What's that?
Oh my goodness.
This. What this?
M&M's.
Play-Doh. There's something else in there?
No, well, we have to use the rest of the basket for your eggs today.
Wow.
You know how to use that? When you take it outside when the wind blows, watch. What? Well, I think we need wind for it to move a little faster. There we go. But it spins in the wind. Oh, you get the sneezes. And then we'll take your Easter basket to Uncle Pat and Aunt Maria's because the Easter Bunny hid your eggs over there.
Eggs?
Yeah, your Easter eggs. He hid them over at Uncle Pat and Aunt Maria's.
I didn't get any eggs.
Yeah, because we have to go find them after church. He knew that you were going over to Uncle Pat and Aunt Maria, so he